up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, it's a decent day, so I'm going to be doing some prep work for paint before I take the hood and the bumper to the paint booth. I'm going to load it all up in the X5 over there, and then we'll take it to the paint booth, and I'll see you guys there. Alright guys, so we pulled the bumper and then pulled the hood, loaded it all up in the X5 right there, and now we're on our way to the shop. Alright guys, so we just got to the shop. We're going to unload the things, set them up. Shop's right there by the way, but can't turn around and show you. But we're going to take out everything, set it up, start sanding it down, prepping it for paint. We are on a time limit because I pay them per hour, so it's going to have to move fast. So let's get started. Alright, after we feathered out the chipped areas, we're going to go over with the whole hood over with 400 grit, and then we'll start spraying down the primer. Okay, so after we sanded the whole hood down and the bumper and the small stuff, we're gonna just go over with some window cleaner, so because it dries faster compared to water, to get the rest of the dust off, and then we'll tack it and go on with the primer. Okay, so I want to water down the floor so the dust doesn't kick up, so the parts don't get contaminated with the dust. But yeah, let's just spray down the floor and get to painting. Alright, before I actually start spraying the primer, I'm just going to go through with it with a tack cloth real quick to get the remaining dust off, and then we'll actually be spraying it. So. so we did a few coats of sealer or whatever, and I'm gonna start mixing up paint, and then I'll start spraying it down. So let's get to it. Okay, so we did 3 thick coats on it. I did 1, and then Shawn took it over because he's a better painter than me, and he didn't like the way I was painting. So he finished the last 2 coats. Now we're just gonna leave it overnight, and then we'll come back tomorrow and see how they turned out. Alright guys, we're back at the paint booth. It's the next day. The parts should have dried by now. Let's see how it all actually dried up. Let's hope we don't have too much contamination in there. Alright, overall I like the way the paint turned out. It has a few little imperfections on it, but a little bit of dust ended up getting in there. But it's really hard to actually, get rid of those imperfections when you're painting, so you're gonna have at least a few. These don't have too much. It'll get off with buff and polish, so we should be good. But we have to actually wait for it to cure. The bumper turned out great. The hood turned out even better. Small parts, obviously they turned out good. No leaks, nothing like that. The paint turned out good. So let's get these parts home and put them on the car. See what they look like. Alright guys, we're gonna have to do 2 trips because I don't want things to get scratched up and piled on. So first goes bumper and the small pieces, then we'll come back for the hood. Alright, so I'll put on the bumper and like these little things. Oh, and that mirror cap, but dude, it looks so much better already. Like with the paint, 10 times better, makes the car look almost like an M3, We got the hood in the back. Pretty sketchy, but got it in. Let's hope it doesn't scratch on the way back. Alright guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today. Painted the car, put everything together. The car looked absolutely perfect. Alright, make sure to like, comment, subscribe if you actually enjoyed the video, Stay tuned for more. Next episode will be showing off the car, detailing, and doing a little bit of TLC on it to completely have it done. And yeah, see you guys later.